In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use in conjunction with this screenshotting tool right here to make passive income promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do, choose a product from these categories right here. Okay. And also whatever product you are choosing, you want to make sure the landing page of the product has a video. Okay, so I'll be taking this one right here as an example, the ultimate keto meal plan. And this product is going to pay you $29 for every single sale you make. So if I click on this link right here, you can see right here that this product has a video. So the next thing you want to do, you want to use this screenshotting tool right here. Or if you don't want to use this screenshotting tool, you can simply screenshot your screen, come over to your PC and type in sniping tool right here. Okay, so once you click on that, all you just need to do is click on open right here, and you are going to see this software right here. All you just need to do is click on this new, and you want to screenshot the first part of the video right here. Okay, and also you want to save that to your PC. All right, so I'm just going to save this as one. You want to screenshot the second part of the video. All right, so basically you want to screenshot the part of this video right here. All right, so once you screenshot that, all you just need to do is save this part again. So I'm going to name this 2. All right, so once you save that, the next thing you want to do now, you want to head over to docs.google.com and you want to click on this create new document. So once you click on that, the next thing you want to do now is to import those files. Now you want to insert the image. So if you click on this image, all you need to do is click on upload from computer, and you want to upload the 2 images. All right, you can see this is the first image right here. All right, and now you want to upload the second image. All right, as you can see now, we have the 2 images right here. All right, so now what you want to do now, you want to type in between these 2 screenshots. You want to type in click the video below. All right, so once you type this right here, now you want to justify this to the center of the page. All right, and then you want to give it a bold. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to go back to your Digistore 24 account, and you want to copy your affiliate link right here. So once you copy your affiliate link, all you just need to do is highlight this text right here. All right, so once you highlight it, you want to come over to this insert link right here, and you want to paste in your Digistore 24 link right here and click on apply. And also you want to do the same thing for this image right here. All you just need to do is right click on the image, and you want to click on this insert link right here, and you want to paste in the link and click on apply. And you want to do the same thing for this video right here. Okay, you want to insert, you want to paste the link right here and click on apply. So now once people come over to this document right here and they click on this video, they will be taken to this page right here where they can actually watch the video right here. And also after they watch the video, they can purchase this product, and if they do, you make $29. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to use this document to start making money on Digistore 24. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is simply to download this document right here. You want to come over to this file section, and you want to click on download as PDF. So now once you've downloaded that as PDF, so now this website I'm about to show you right here gets 61 million visits every single month. And I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this website and start driving targeted traffic to these documents and start making money. So now you want to head over to this website called slideshare.net. This is a file sharing website where you can actually share documents, and a lot of people come over to this website. Like I showed you, over 60 million people every single month come to this website to search for documents where they can learn and share other stuff. Okay, so what you want to do from here, if you don't have an account, all you just need to do is click on sign up button right here, and it's going to bring you to this page where you can sign up with your Facebook, LinkedIn, or Scribd account. So for me, I'm just going to click on this login right here. So once you are logged into your account, all you just need to do is click on this upload right here. So once you click on this upload, all you just need to do is to select a document, and now you want to locate where the document has been downloaded. As you can see, this is the downloaded document right here. All right, now as you can see, the document is uploading right here. All right, now you want to give the document a name. As you can see right here, the ultimate keto meal plan, and you want to select a category right here. All right, and also you want to type in your tags right here. You want to basically type in some tags right here. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on this publish right here. All right. So basically, as you can see, this is the document right here. And once they open this document and click on the link in the document or click on this video right here, they will be taken to this product page right here. And if they purchase this product, we make money. All right. So it's that simple. And you want to repeat the same process for as many products that has a video on Digistore 24. Usually you find most of those type of videos in the health and fitness category right here. Okay, so if you click on that category, you'll find numerous products that has a video sales page. All right, so basically that is how you can start driving traffic from slideshare.net to your Digistore 24 affiliate link. And also, like I showed you, over 60 million visits every single month. So basically all you just need is a dozens of sales and you'll be making passive income every single month on Digistore 24. So another powerful traffic source that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link is by coming over to Facebook and you want to type in keto group right here. Since we are promoting a keto meal plan product from Digistore 24 right here. So once you type that on Facebook, you want to make sure you filter to groups and you want to also make sure you select public group right here. So once you click on that, you are going to see numerous groups that you can join on Facebook. And I don't recommend you go over to this group to spam your affiliate link. What I recommend you do instead to get clicks to your affiliate link is by sharing this document right here. And to share this document on the Facebook group is very, very simple. All you just need to do is click on this share button right here. So once you do that, all you need to do is change this restricted to anyone with link. And now you want to copy this link and you want to head over to this website called cut.ly and you want to paste in the document link right here. So once you paste the document link in this box right here, all you just need to do is shorten the link. And once you click on this shorten right here, as you can see, the link has been shortened. All you just need to do now is copy the shortened link and you want to head over to these Facebook groups right here. And basically all you just need to do, once you are in this Facebook group, all you just need to do is recommend how you've learned a lot from this video right here to help you lose weight with keto recipes. So basically once you share this on the Facebook groups, I can guarantee you some of the members of this group are going to click on this video right here. And once they click on any of the link right here, they will be taken to this product page right here to watch the actual video. And once they watch this video, they get to learn everything they are going to get from this product right here. And if they purchase this product, you make money. So basically, if you combine using slideshare.net with Facebook groups, I can guarantee you that you are going to make passive income promoting Digistore 24 product. So basically, you want to go back and you want to repeat the same process for all of this group right here. And that brings us to the end of today's video, and I hope you find some value in this video. And if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.